energies, kinetic energy. What are the examples you guys seen over the day? So falling, a coconut is falling from the top of the coconut tree, having a heavy speed. So the object having a motion, okay, having a greater energy. If we take a bullet, from the gun, even though it is a small, it is coming with a greater force. So it is easily piercing into a body or anything, any wooden block also it is piercing because of the force. So that I already know that that is dependent upon the momentum also. P is equal to mv. Already we know it from the law of conservation of momentum also we have learned it. Now we are now going to derive an equation for the kinetic energy. So if body is moving in a particular direction with a particular force, then how much energy will the body possess? That one you want to calculate. That one you want to calculate. Okay. So Ashwin Balaji, Ashwin Balaji. Ashwin Balaji is not here.
Sir, audible, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Okay. Agashin Jabakumar. Agashin Jabakumar. They are not answering. Okay, is that Sri? Mari will not check the clear.
Yes, sir. It is audible, sir.
Audible, sir.
Aisha Sri, can you able to hear me, Aisha Sri?
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible.
Aisha Sri, take a book, Aisha Sri now.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Repeat
Sir,
one,
shall I
sir.
read, sir?
Take the book, page number 151. Now if you take the book 151. Sorry, one.
Yes, sir. Taken, sir. Taken, sir.
Again. So I read the derivations. Let us now consider express the kinetic energy of an. So here, see here. Yes. Read line by line. I will explain here. Calculation the board. Here we are going to derive the equation for the kinetic energy of a body. Here, how we are going to calculate the energy for the moving bodies. Okay. Yes. Now start the second. I just want the line by line.
Yes, sir. Let us know how to express the kinetic energy of an object in the form of an equation. Consider an object of mass m moving with the uniform velocity u. Let us it now be displaced through a velocity distance s when a constant force F acts on it in the direction of its displacement. From the equation 11.1, the work done YHW is Fs. The work done in the object will cause a change in its velocity. Let its velocity change from u to v. Let us b acceleration produced. In section
Stop. So here, now we are taking a body of mass m. Take body of mass m. Okay. That body of mass, that body is moving with velocity. You take uniform velocity. It's carrying with uniform velocity from some to some distances. Will velocity be
Sir?
u? It will be S-ma. It will be in rest now. So it's let the velocity be u. Okay. So after applying a force, the body of mass is moving from one place to another place. That will be coming here. Okay. Here, because we are giving a force, the body is from rest starting to move. So it attained the change of velocity. So let the velocity be v. Okay. Instead, because you know that whenever the object is at rest, velocity will be 0. So after applying a force, the body is moving from one place to another place. Okay. So you can take displacement as yes. S is the displacement here. S is the displacement. So how much force you are applying here? You are applying the force as F. See what are the units? What are the letters? You know, you are taking M, you are taking U, you are taking F, you are taking V, you are taking S. All these are having here. Okay. So according to the work done, W is equal to Fs. It is the form. It is the form. I know that.
Yes, sir.
So because of the work done, the object attains velocity v. The velocity v. Okay. So in previous chapter, we have hearing about the third equation of motion, v square minus u squared is equal to 2as. So this is the equation that connects the initial velocity, final velocity, displacement, and acceleration. So I'm taking this equation here. So from this equation, I'm going to take the value of s because I know the value of s displacement. So s is equal to what? S is equal to v squared minus u squared by 2a. From this simply I'm taking from s from this equation, v squared minus u squared. I'm taking this value s from s. S is equal to, first of all, s is equal to v squared minus u squared. The 2a will come down. That's all. So s is equal to v squared minus u squared by 2a. Okay, according to formula, W is equal to, so you know what is force? What is formula for force? F is equal to what? F is equal to ma. You know there is already there is a formula F is equal to ma. So here W is equal to, W is equal to F. Instead of F I'm taking ma, and instead of S I'm going to take v squared minus u squared by 2a. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here this a and this a get cancelled. So I'm getting v is equal to W is equal to m into what? M into v squared minus u squared by 2. Okay, otherwise I can write this as W is equal to, I'm taking this 2 out, 1 by 2 into, okay, 1 by 2 into m into v squared minus u squared. W is equal to m into v squared minus u squared. Here, I told before I told that that object is in initial state, at rest position. From rest only it is going to move. So I am taking u is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. So I am substituting u is equal to 0 here. W is equal to half into m into v square minus 0 square. So W is equal to, it becomes 0. W is equal to half into m v squared. So this W is equal to kinetic energy E. Put bracket clearance. Okay. Substitution putting a case. Subscript putting k. So Ek is equal to half into m v square, half into m v squared, half into m squared. So if you want to calculate the kinetic energy of a moving body, you must know this value. So what is m? M is mass of the object and v is the velocity of the object. Velocity square. If the object is traveling 30 kilometers, 30 kilometers speed means 30 into 30, 90 kilometers. Yeah, 30 into 30, 900. Okay, 3 into 30, 30, 900 kilometers speed on. Yeah. So half into m into by mass into v into v. That is the calculation of the kinetic energy of an object. Okay. Any doubt in this?
Sir, how
paragraph,
to get,
sir?
sir?
Page 8, no? What?
Sir, how 1 by 2 came, sir?
See here, half is m into this chemistry. So I'll take put again here. 1 by 2 is the formula. Okay, from this formula I got this. S is equal to v square minus 2e square by 2a. So for f I'm substituting for instead w is equal to f into this formula. Instead of f I'm taking this ma here, and instead of s I'm substituting this value. S is equal to v square minus 2a divided by. Okay, I got this. Okay, so here I can cancel this a get cancelled, and I get m is equal to w is equal to m into v square minus square by a போயிடுச்சு இல்லையா? இது மட்டும் பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? இத 1 by 2 என்ன பண்ணு தனியா எடுத்துக்கிறேன். 1 by 2 into m into v square minus u square எடுத்துக்கிறேன். அவ்வளவுதான், ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. அது பிரிச்சு எடுக்கறேன், அங்க இருக்க தனியா எடுத்துக்கிறேன், அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகேவா? ஏன்னா நம்ம தனியா வந்துருச்சு. So 1 by 2 into m into u is equal to 0 because the object is at the initial position,
Bottom rest,
the object is rest. So u is equal to 0. So half into m into v squared minus 0 squared. Okay. So I get half into m into v squared. It is the formula. So this formula is equal to EK, kinetic energy. EK means kinetic energy. EP means potential energy. EK means kinetic energy. EK means kinetic energy. Okay, note in this.
So to find kinetic energy, we should use O into M into V.
To find the kinetic energy of a body, you can use the formula EK is equal to half into mv squared. Here m is the mass of an object and v is the velocity of an object. Okay, any doubt in this?
Sir, SI unit is also joule, sir.
SI is joule only. Work energy SI is joule only. You can whatever answer you are getting here, that you can write as joules. EK is equal to what value you are getting that you can write as joules. So this is okay. Next, see, read that ma. Read, make it fast. Just read. Padinge. Second turn padinge. I will in the book of you. Rita Sri.
Sir, Sri Krishna, shall I read, sir?
Okay, Sri Krishna. Continue, Sri Krishna. Fine.
In the section 8.5, we studied three equations of motion. The relation connecting the initial velocity u and final velocity v of an object moving with a uniform acceleration a, and the displacement s is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This gives s is equal to v square minus u square by 2a. From section 9.4, we know f is equal to ma. Thus, using equation 11.2 in equation 11.1, we can write the work done by the force F as W is equal to ma into v square minus u square by 2a, or v is equal to 1 by 2 m v square minus u square. If the object is starting from its stationary position, that is u is equal to 0, then v is equal to 1 by 2 m v square. It is clearly that the work done is equal to the change in the kinetic energy of an object. If u is equal to 0, the work done will be 1 by 2 mv square. Thus, the kinetic energy possessed by an object of mass m and moving with a uniform velocity v is E is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Solution. Mass of the object m is equal to 15 kg, velocity of the object v is equal to 4 meter per second. From equation 11.5, E is equal to 1 by 2 mv square is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 kilogram into 4 meter per second into 4 meter per second is equal to 120 joules. The kinetic energy of the object is 120 joules.
Okay, just wait. So here, an object of mass 3 kg is moving with uniform velocity of 4. So m is equal to given. Example sum example sum 11.3. Okay, here mass of the object m is equal to given as 15 kg. 15 kg. Okay, and the velocity of the object. What is velocity of that is given as 4 v is equal to 4 meter per second. So what is the question here? What is the kinetic energy possessed by an object? Simply giving the formula. EK is equal to half into mv squared. So half into what is the mass? Mass is 15 kg into v square. What is 4 into. Yeah. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, it can like this. 15 2s are 30, 34s are 120 joules. It is the answer. Yeah, 2 cancel. 15 2s are 30, 34s are 120. 120 joules is the answer for this question. Okay. Understand this? Any doubt in this question? Any doubt in this question of you? Okay. We can go for the next question. Read Krishna. Next question.
Yes, sir. 11.4. What is the work to be done to increase the velocity of a car from 30 km per hour to 60 km per hour if the mass of the car is 1500 kg.
Okay, now see what is the question here. The car is already is moving and this is moving at the speed of 30 kilometers. The speed of the car want to increase from 30 to 60 kilometers. So here you want to find what is the energy used to increase the speed of the car from 30 to 60 kilometers. So from the question, we got mass of the car is equal to how much? 1500 kg. Yeah. Mass of the car is equal to 1500 kg. Okay. So first of all, the car is moving at initial velocity. U is equal to 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second. Okay. And final velocity of car V is equal to 60 meter per second. 60 meter per second. So here it is not given as a meter per second. It is given in the form of kilometer per second. We want to convert kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Yeah, this also given the kilometer per hour. Okay. I want to convert this into meter per second. What can I do? For V is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. I want to convert into meter per second. What is formula then? What is formula? What is formula? Into 5 by 18.
5 by 18.
5 by 18. So 3. What is answer here? See, 3 zeros are 5. 150 by 18. Again, I'm reducing it 3. 6 3s are 18. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 0. Okay, again, I can reduce to 3 2s are 6. 20, 25 2s are 50. I get 25 by 3. 25 by 3 meter per second. Meter per second. Similarly, for V, I'm calculating V is equal to 60 into 5 by 80. 60 into 5 by 18. Okay, 60 into 5 by 18 means how much? See, 60. 9 2s are 18. 30. 10 3s are 30. 3 3s are 9. I get 50 by 3. I get 50 by 3. Okay, any doubt in this? MS per mass. இது புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? என்ன புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? First வந்து கொடுத்திருக்க ஸ்பீட் ஆன் இனிஷியல் வெலாசிட்டி வந்து I am converting into meter per second because it is given in the kilometer per hour using the formula that just simplify multiplied by 5 by 18. That is the formula. Already know that in the first 8 chapter itself. So that is formula, applying this formula 30 in 5 by 8, I get 25 by 3. And for initial final velocity 60, I am getting 50 by 3 as a meter per second. Okay, any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Now I am noting these points. For first one is 25 by 3 meter per second and 50 by 3 meter per second. I'm noting this point here. Now I am going to calculate the energy for the first initial velocity of the car. So EK is equal to half into mv square. Half into mv square. So EK is equal to half into mv square. Half into mass of the car what? 1500. 1500 into 25 by 3 into 25 by 3. Okay, இது புரியுதா? இது புரியுதா? புரியுதா இது? Half into the mass. Only for taking for only initial velocity of the car. புரியுதா புரியலையா?
I can understand.
Okay. So
Understood.
m is equal 1500. V 25 by 3 into v square nala 25 by 3 into 25 by 3 I put in here. Now I am going to simplify this. How can I simplify this? 1 2 is to 750. So what is the answer here? Approximately it will come to I think it come to 1,56,250. 250 by 3 joules. By 3 joules. So because it becomes 133. Okay, 1 2 3 are 6. 250. 250. 2 into 25. What? 25 into 25 what? 25 into 25 into 25. 1,56,250 joules. 1 Ek is equal to 1/2 into mass, same mass now, 1500 into 50/3 in 3 into 50/3. So same will come here 750. Again it can go to 250. Again 250 into 50 into 50/3. Yeah. 5 is 25, 25 into 25, 6 lakh, 6 lakh 25,000. 6 lakh 25,000. 6 lakh 25,000 joule by 3 joules. 3 போடணும். Okay, 3 போடணும். 3 போடணும். ஓகேவா? Okay. Now I want to subtract this. எப்படி subtract பண்ணலாம்? இது அதிகமா இருக்கு. 6,25,000 உனக்கு வந்து இந்த எனர்ஜியும் this is EK and that is EK 1 வச்சுக்கலாமா? EK 1 EK 2 வச்சுக்கலாம். EK 1 EK 2 வச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அது EK ராசி எதனா வச்சுக்கலாம். எதனா வச்சுக்கலாம். EK 1 EK 2 வச்சுக்கலாம். EK 2 EK 2. So total energy, how much total energy? I want to subtract this. எப்படி subtract பண்ணணும்? ஓகேவா? EK is equal to EK2 minus EK1. ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதில் வருது நமக்கு டோட்டலாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் EK2 வந்து 6,25,000 வரும். 6,25,000. ஓகேவா? 6,25,000. And E1 வருது 1,56,250. மைனஸ் பண்ணுங்க இதுல இருந்து 0, இது 5 வந்துடும். இங்கே வரும் 0 போயிடுச்சு. 5 இங்கே இருக்கு 8 2 போச்சுன்னா இன்னும் வரும். இங்கே சப்ளை பண்ண சீக்கிரம். சப்ளேஷன் தெரியாத உங்களுக்கு யாருக்குமே? ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஆன்சர் வரலையா?
Sir. Sir, 1,56,250, sir.
1,56,250. 1,56,250. That is the answer. That is the correct answer.
Yes, sir. It was given in the book, sir.
It was given in the book itself. 1,56,250. Okay, what? சிம்பிளை பண்ண 3 கிராம் சிம்பிளை பண்ணிடணும். 3 கிராம் 3 இருக்கீங்களா? 3 வரும். இப்போ 3 வரும். 3 அந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கிறோம். இப்படி எப்படி போகணும் அப்படின்னா இது 6,25,000 divided by 3 minus 1,50,250 divided by 3. 3 வந்து எடுத்துக்கிறோம். 6,25,000 minus 1,56,250 வரும். ஓகேவா? இது வந்து நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா you get subtract this and here this, we will get the answer 1,50,250 வரும். This is the work done. This is the work done by energy given to the car to rise from 30 to 60 kilometers per hour. Need doubt in this?
Sir,